Dear children, this week we will do envelope cover. Material needs are handmade sheet, Fevicol, pencil, scissor, any old one, wedding card things. Take handmade sheet and use any like this circle object. I am using CD. First you have to mark the correct circle and then nearby leave little place and then mark another one circle. Now first circle extra you have to cut a parallel line you have to draw. This one only you have to cut a. And then in this circle whatever you draw in that same shape you have to cut. One circle we cut at same size. Another one I draw extra, no, that line you have to cut. Little bit big. See, this one bigger, this one small size. Now in this circle, first we draw, no, that line itself you have to cut. Little. Give gap and then cut. Not fully. You fold it in this place. Then here to here itself only you have to cut. No, both the side you have to cut. And then fold it. Then another one piece is there, no? That one you have to keep it. And then fold it. Here only you have to fold it. After that reversely you have to fold. This is the right side, this one is the wrong side. Like this you have to fold it and keep. And these pieces you have to each and every, first I cutted, no, that one, fold it and keep. Till the line itself you have to fold. Now you have to put gum in this edge and then you have to paste this one. The small one circle, folded piece, you have to cut. And then this one here you have to put gum only in the edges. In this edge also you have to put gum and then you have to paste it. And then let it dry 5 minutes. After pasting the circle, see, fold and see if it is coming extra, the extra pieces you have to cut. After finish the envelope cover, turn the right side. Like this you can collect from the old wedding card, greeting card, decorative item and all. You can stick it in the front side. Put gum. Paste it in the middle. Let it dry. After sticking like this, you can decorate outside. You can stick any beads or like this. Glitters also you can use. After decorate like this, you can hold your money, put here, and then you can give gift to your any wedding or birthday or any function, you can use this envelope cover. Like this, I made like this square shape. See, like this square. And then the cone shape, small one, big one. Whatever shape you need, you can do like this. You can use this one for any wedding or any function. You can put money in this one and can give the gift for your friends or relatives. I hope you all enjoy this gift envelope cover. Thank you children. Have a nice day.